When something's wrong.
You'll use every one of these in a real cafe. Slow first, fast at the end.
Excuse me, I think this is the wrong order. Excuse me, I think this is the wrong order.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What did you order? Oh, I'm so sorry. What did you order?
I ordered a cappuccino, not a latte. I ordered a cappuccino, not a latte.
Let me fix that for you right away. Let me fix that for you right away.
Sorry, but my coffee is cold. Sorry, but my coffee is cold.
I apologize. Would you like a fresh one? I apologize. Would you like a fresh one?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Coming right up. Coming right up.
I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe? I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe?
Let me check the ingredients for you. Let me check the ingredients for you.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Of course, your safety comes first. Of course, your safety comes first.
Could you remake it without sugar? Could you remake it without sugar?
Absolutely. No sugar this time. Absolutely. No sugar this time.
Thanks so much. Thanks so much.
It's no trouble at all. It's no trouble at all.
I think my muffin is missing. I think my muffin is missing.
You're right. Sorry about that. You're right. Sorry about that.
No problem, thanks for checking. No problem, thanks for checking.
Here you go, on the house. Here you go, on the house. Here's your new drink. So sorry again. Here's your new drink. So sorry again.
That's all right, thank you. That's all right, thank you.
Enjoy, and have a good one. Enjoy, and have a good one.
You too. Thanks for fixing it. You too. Thanks for fixing it. I think this is the wrong order. I ordered a cappuccino, not a latte. Sorry, but my coffee is cold. Would you like a fresh one? I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe? Could you remake it without sugar? It's no trouble at all. I think my muffin is missing. On the house. That's all right, thank you. Thanks for fixing it.